we will create header and footer elements that will be shown on every page of the website. Start by making a new empty block at the top. Make the block 100% wide, activate the block and adjust the height to 120 pixels. And click Save. Activate the block, split it horizontally, and drag the split line so that the left side is 25% wide, and click Save. Go to Styling mode and select the first block. Click Edit Background to change the background color. Paste in the color code. Click OK and then Save. Click the left content area, choose Add Content and select Image as content type. Upload the logo from your computer. The image is in crop mode, which doesn't work for us, so move the switch to fit mode and click Save. The logo needs some empty space around it, and we'll do this in the style mode. Navigate to the correct block and adjust the padding to 5 pixels all around, and then 25 for the left padding, and hit Save. You might have to go to Image Editor to refit the image after adjusting the paddings around it. Activate the content area on the right by clicking on it, choose Add Content and select Navigation as content type. Click Add Link multiple times to get more links to your navigation. Align the links to center and set margin to, let's say, 10 pixels. Click Styling Options to set the link styles. Choose which font you want to use in the links. On the right you can see the preview how the links will look like. Choose the font color and click Apply. Click the first example link, change the link name to Home, and set the internal link to point to home page, and click Link. Edit rest of the example links the same way, except leave the link type to empty because the destination pages have not been created yet. Once the links are finished, click Save. I want the red navigation menu to be centered in the middle of the page. Move your mouse on top of the logo block to see the dimensions, and you can see it is 300 pixels wide. Open the Style Editor and navigate to the block on the right side. Add the same 300 pixels of padding to the right side and click Save. To link the logo to front page, click Content Settings and click Link Element. Choose Internal Link and select the destination page. Click Link. We'll continue with the footer element next. Create a new empty block at the bottom. Adjust the height to 230 pixels. Split the block horizontally from the middle. Go to Style mode to give the footer the same background color as the header. Add text content to the left side content block. Type in the text and style it accordingly. Click the right content area, choose Add Content and select Form as the content type. Align the form to left. Click Edit Form, give the form a descriptive name, type in one or more target emails, leave the button text as it is, but change the form width to 500 pixels. Down low you can edit the message shown once the form is submitted. Now we'll edit the fields in the form. Add a new field and select the field type. This is a text field for the visitor's name. Mark the field to be required. Type in the error text like name is required. Drag the name field to the top. Add a new field for phone number. Field type is number and the label phone number. And phone number is also a required field. Check field style to be half width. Drag the phone number to be the second field. Set also email field to be half width, but not required. Next, click Done. Go to Edit Button Styles and choose the same button we used before and click Done. Now click Save. Phone number and email are side by side because we set the style to be half width. The topmost block needs to be set to be a header. Click White Block Settings and make Header. Now there's a header label on top of the block. Go through the same steps, making the bottom block into a footer. Go to Publish panel and click Preview privately to see how the page looks in full browser. After creating the header, we still need to activate the mobile menu. Click Navigation element to activate it and select Enable Mobile Menu and click Save. Now the mobile version of the site looks good and is really easy to navigate.